Hi, this is Kayla Perry from, and this is a showing of Enhancement 7 for CIT 336. And here in this enhancement, we updated this admin view to display our information. And then we made sure that we could update the account information and have product management abilities. So we updated the account. If we update the account information, we can delete all of these extra letters that I put on the name, and we update the client, and it was successfully updated, and now the name is regular. And then in the product management page, we have add a new category, add a new product, and then here we have all of the all of the products so that you could click on one to modify it. And if we modify this and we just name it Rocket, then we can update, and we can see it's no longer up here as Acme Rocket, but it's down here just as Rocket. So I'm going to edit that back to Acme Rocket and update, and you can see it's back up at the top. And then, so to show you how we did that, in our product management, we have this, which is giving you the product list. And then here is our product update page, and we have the session and the cat list. And then here we have the form that includes all of the information for that. And then on the admin page, we have the update account link, which is going to view client update, and we session in all of this stuff, and well, we deleted the level, and then here is the administrative function things, and then this is the accounts controller, and we have added view client update, and so this will be the update information that we have there, and then we have update pass, which is update the password for when we would like to do that, and then in our client update.php form, we have the client update form, and it is either all of the information or the email. It's not a form containing both of them. And then we can see that in, oh, this is the product controller. In the accounts controller, oh yeah, I already showed you that. Update password and update client. And then in the products controller, we updated, we got the get product basics for the product list, and then in the products model is where we added the get product basics, get product info, update product information. And thank you very much.